Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 15 and let me share with you how to activate automatic software updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Software Update and here tap on the three-dot icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on Auto Update. And here, the first thing which I highly recommend to do is to make sure that your auto download is set on Wi-Fi. If you've got it on Do Not Allow, which I doubt, however, sometimes it might be set, then tap on Wi-Fi. I do not recommend tapping on Wi-Fi or mobile data because the update packages are quite large and downloading them over the mobile data is quite risky and it could be costly. So just tap on the Wi-Fi, and the second thing which I highly recommend to do is to simply tap on the switcher next to Auto Update Overnight, because not only your device will download the update, but also it will automatically apply it, and it will happen, as you can see in the second part here. It will happen between 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. So usually we are sleeping during that time. Thanks to which it will not be limited because of the update. After waking up, you will be able to simply use your brand new software and you won't be disturbed during a day. So I really highly recommend to use this option. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.